Pants are too long? Don't spend more than $1,000 to have them altered outside. Today, I'll show you in a video how to shorten your trouser length easily at home. Cut as much as you want, but remember to leave a 1 centimeter seam allowance on the edge of the trousers. Trim off the excess fabric, then turn the cut edge inward and align it neatly with the trouser leg. Match the side seams and sew all the way around. First, find a strong thread and take out your threading tool. Hang the needle first, then hang the thread, close your eyes, and thread the needle smoothly. If the seam feels thick, fix it in place with a few pins first, just like in the video. Then stitch along the edge of the fold. Insert and pull the needle in a steady rhythm, giving small, flat stitches that move forward neatly. Whether you're working on jeans, slacks, or your child's school uniform pants, this same hand sewing method works perfectly for adjusting the length. When stitching, keep close to the rounded edge of the pants. This keeps your thread from straying. For thin or thick materials, make sure your needle pierces through completely. The seams should stay straight and even, preventing the fabric from twisting. Take small, dense, and well-proportioned stitches for a tidy look. You can use a slightly longer needle to handle multiple stitches at once. This makes your sewing line straight and smooth, almost like machine stitching. I share needle and thread tips every day in my live stream. Many sisters ask why I don't use a thimble when sewing so many stitches in a row. If you find it hard to push the needle with a thimble, it's probably because you're using a small iron needle. I use a sturdy hand sewing needle that makes the work easier. Sew a full circle, tie a knot on the inside to secure it, and cut off the extra thread. See how neat and clean the seam looks? Trim any rough edges and start hemming again with a double strand of thread. Wrap the thread around the needle, pull it through, and move forward at a small angle. Split the thread slightly over the needle and pull again. This double thread hemming technique locks the edge quickly and firmly. It's great for everyday use. Watch the video twice if you need to see the process more clearly. After hemming, you can machine wash or hand wash the pants, no fraying or loose threads. The rounded edge stays neat and the visible stitching looks professional.